In today's video, I'm going to teach you a quick and simple method for replacing a video in your Canva project with ease. This is particularly useful if you're working on a project and need to switch out a video for any reason, whether it's because you found a better clip or because you want to update content with fresher footage. We'll make sure you are well prepared to handle this task efficiently and seamlessly. Let's begin by going to your Canva project. You can do this by heading over to the Canva website and logging into your account. From there, navigate to the specific project you're working on. This is usually found under your recent designs, or you can access it through the Your Projects section on the dashboard. Familiarizing yourself with the layout of your project will be beneficial, so take a moment to locate and open the project where you need to replace the video. Next, we'll tackle replacing the existing video. This part of the process is quite straightforward. You simply need to drag your new video file and release it inside the frame where your previous video was placed. Canva's intuitive design will automatically replace the existing video clip with the one you've just added. It's as easy as dragging and dropping your file from your desktop or wherever it's stored directly into the Canva interface. You'll notice a smooth transition where the new clip takes the place of the old without any additional steps required. One important aspect to keep in mind while doing this is to ensure that the dimensions and the aspect ratio of the new video fit well with your design. If they don't, you might need to make slight adjustments to ensure it looks as intended. Canva provides some helpful tools and guides to aid in resizing or adjusting clips if needed. Using these tools can save you a lot of time and ensure the visual quality of your project remains high. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've quickly and efficiently replaced a video in your Canva project. This not only helps in keeping your content up to date, but also in maintaining a consistent theme across your projects. Remember, the key to mastering these digital tools is practice and exploration. So don't hesitate to try out different videos and experiment with adjustments to see what works best for your content. With that, we've reached the conclusion of today's guide. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, feel free to leave your suggestions. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing!